Hey everyone, got another video for you today. We're gonna go over how to sort the spare parts that come in the ZD Racing 1/8 scale rolling chassis kits. So basically, you can check out my unboxing video to see what comes in and how it comes in. But you get the chassis, the body, and basically a bag of spare parts. And I'll show you how to sort these in a bit. But first off, I'm gonna let you know my build plans. So I am waiting for a ESC to come in, 120 amp, that I'll be sticking in here. I'm going with this servo. This is pretty decent spec. They're around $10 to $15, and they're pretty high speed, which is pretty cool. I typically go with the other 35 kg, 20 kg Pro or 25 kg servos, like in my monster truck and the short course truck. I did upgrade the one that it came with. So I did already stick the servo saver that comes with this kit. They give you a pack of 3 spares, and there's one more in here. But before we get to that, I did decide to go with the 4068 2650. This is going to be a touring car / rally car application, and it is much better. In my opinion, I don't think the rally car that ZD Racing sells is worth it, especially because it only comes with the 3670 motor. I think it's like $330. But I'm gonna go with the 4068. I already put the double fan on there with the heat sink. And then, so basically, let's get into these parts. Now that we have the screws laid out, let's get everything sorted, which I think would probably be the most intimidating part. So first off, we can put the case. This is the receiver case, and also the servo housing mount. And I'll show you, since we have that there, how the servo slides in. You'll put the cable through, and then you can basically slide it in, and then you'll see that the screw holes match up. And then while we're here, actually, so we'll do this. Your case, everything. Here's your motor mount plate, your pinion gear. We can go ahead and stick the set screw for the pinion gear with it. Okay. These 2 plastic pieces go with your servo, because when you screw on, you're going to go ahead and put these there, and then this screws on. So these kind of hold the servo in place. So here is the servo saver that you saw me already put on there. It just squeezes over, and then that way it could fit into the arm that they give you. Okay, now to the messy stuff. How do you get through this? Right off the bat, I can tell you, you could take out the 2 fat ones, and these are the screws that go into your motor mount, like this. There's 1 and 2. So anyways, I'll place those. The 2 fattest ones with the motor. And then here you can take these, forgot what they called them, bucket head Allens. These are the screws that will actually mount the motor to the plate, or the plate to the motor. You can see they fit right in there. Now for the rest of these screws, okay, we'll take away these tapered, and we'll take away the button head. So these button heads go with your servo, 4 screws, 2 on each side. And then for the remaining tapered, you'll notice that there is one that is a different length. Okay, so 4 short, 1 long. This long one also goes to the servo, and it's what mounts the arm to the servo. These 4 are for the bottom of the servo case and the bottom of the chassis. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see these are already drilled for tapered screws, and pretty much that's it. So you get your motor in there, you get your servo mounts and receiver housing, then you'll go ahead and put the servo arm like that, and then your ESC can go right here. You get your battery tray. But that's basically how you would sort the loose parts that come in the ZD Racing kits, and I believe it was the same for the monster truck, and I think it's the same for any rolling chassis from ZD Racing. So in mine, like I said, I'm gonna go with the 4068. I am gonna go with the bigger pinion gear, something bigger. Maybe I think I have an 18 still. And then I did look more into these differentials. You'll notice this is the plastic differential. I believe the plastic one from ZD Racing is a 48 tooth. They also have a 60 tooth and also a 46 tooth that come in metal. I will probably go down to a 46 tooth metal and with a larger pinion gear for speed application and also durability, but I might wait and just kill this spur gear first before I do that. But hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you as soon as I do slap this together. Again, I'm still waiting for the ESC, but I'll probably go ahead and throw on everything else first. Thanks for watching.